Okay there, boys and girls. I've got a virtual learning STEAM challenge for you today. See, I'm stuck at home just like you, and I've been thinking, what creative, interesting, and innovative things can I do to get my creative mind working? And I saw a toy Hot Wheels car that was sitting on a shelf, and I was wondering, how far can I make my toy Hot Wheels car jump? If I build a ramp, and I put it at the top, and I release it, and let gravity take effect. It rolls down the ramp and it launches off the end. How far can I get that car to jump? And that's my challenge for you. So, I want you to build a ramp. I want you to build a ramp as tall as you want it to be, as long as you want it to be, as wide as you want it to be, and then I want you to release a toy car from the top of that ramp. Don't push it, just release it and let gravity take effect. And let that toy car zoom down the ramp and launch off the end and fly through the air. And then I want you to record how far you've got that toy car to jump. Now, if you're going to be super scientific, you think about the distance and the weight of your car and the height of your ramp and all of those very scientific terms, because maybe a heavier car or a lighter car will jump further. Maybe a shorter ramp will work better. Maybe a taller ramp will work better. I don't know. You need to explore all of those different questions. Then build your ramp, record the distances, take photos, take videos, even put together a video which documents your entire process, and then share it back with me and I'll pop it onto the website. I'm so excited to see your ramps, see what you have built, see what you have created. I'm sure you can get your ramp looking a lot better than this ramp which I've got here. And I'm sure you can get that car jumping a long, long way. Okay, so first step, find a toy car or anything with wheels that you've got. Second, plan. Plans are always important. Draw down what you want that ramp to look like. And then third, test, record, and share. Find a toy car, make a plan, then test, record, and share. Good luck, guys and girls. I'm very excited to see what you create.